Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix Discord stuck on the starting screen. If Discord keeps loading and never opens, don't worry. This is usually caused by corrupted cache files or background conflicts. First, completely close Discord. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, then end every Discord process running in the background. Next, press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Then go back one step, open the local folder, and delete the Discord folder there as well. After clearing the cache, restart your computer. Once your system boots up, download the latest version of Discord from the official website and reinstall it. If the problem continues, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try launching Discord again. In most cases, clearing the cache and reinstalling the app fixes the stuck on starting issue quickly and successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.